So when we're dealing with inequalities, we treat them just like equations. You treat them as if they're a balance. They're not a balance, but you treat them as if they are. The only time we do anything other than that, well, we don't really. We still treat them like a balance, but if we multiply or divide to solve for x, if we multiply or divide by a negative, x or any variable that we might have, we switch the direction of the inequality. This is an important thing to remember. It's the only thing you have to remember beyond how to solve an equation. It's the only thing that's different. So if I have a problem like 5x is greater than negative 25, and I'm solving this, then I'm going to be dividing by a positive 5 here. I'm dividing a positive 5 into a negative, but am I dividing by a negative? No. So this is no change. This is no change here. X is greater than negative 5. No change. Right? But if I had a problem where it was negative 5x is greater than negative 25, here I would have to divide by negative 5 to solve. So x, there is a change, is 5. The direction changes only when you multiply or divide by a negative. Otherwise, everything else is a problem like this. I've got to multiply by negative 7 to solve. So I change the direction of the inequality. And if you want to verify that, then what you can do is simply pick a value that is within the inequality to test it. So let's see if I can pick a value for x that's true. Let's not pick negative 4, because that's going to be like equal. But let's pick a number that is bigger than negative 4. What's an easy number that's bigger than negative 4? 0. 0. Yeah, good. Let's try 0. So is 0, oops. Oh, no, I guess I could leave that. Let's say x equals 0. This is a test. If x equals 0, is 0 divided by negative 7 less than or equal to 28? Is that true or false? What's 0 divided by negative? What's 0 divided by anything? 0. Yes. You can't put the 0 in the bottom number, but you can put it in the top. It's okay here. So this is just 0. Is 0 less than or equal to 28? Is it less than? Is 0 less than 28?
Yes.
Okay. Is 0 less than or equal to 28?
Yes.
Yes. Or, not and, it's not both at the same time, it's or. 0 is less than or equal to 28. It's not saying that it is equal, it's saying, is it equal? No, it's not, because we chose a number that's quite a ways away from -4. But if I plug in oh, wait, I did that wrong, didn't I? Back up. That's awful, I'm embarrassed. I divided. What mistake did I make? I should have multiplied here. That's okay. 0 still works for our test, but 28 times 7? That's more like -196. Yeah, sorry. But 0 is still bigger than -196. If I plug in -196, then I'm going to find that that's a case where they're going to be equal. So the problem is saying that x is any number that's greater than or equal to 28. That starts here. So every number that you choose is not going to be greater than and equal. That's not possible. But it will be this one would be equal. Anything bigger than that's going to be greater than. That's what the graph shows. Okay. You're going to get a bigger number for any number greater than 196 negative. Okay, so let's talk about an assignment that I gave you the other day that I said you got to read through it. And that was way back here on 4.2.